Hello guys, good morning. There is Suhail Khalid Pinzali. Today's date is 19th March 2022. Today I am discuss on the topic linked list in Java. So let's start. So first in the previous video we seen about array list and what is array list, how array list works. So today we see linked list. What is linked list? The linked list is what is linked list and how linked list work and types of linked list. So linked list is, in this linked list we give input of our linked list and it perform on it and give us output. So in the linked list, linked list occupy non-contiguous memory. Like means if we give a input for example Hepshine, then in the heap memory all are the word of Hepshine are stored on a different places. It not stored in a sequentially. It's totally stored different locations, but we retrieve it with the help of their address. So if for example if we give input Hepshine, that at that time the Hepshine, the H is stored on another location, E is stored on another location, F is stored on another location. So all different letter stores on another and different locations, but it is linked with their addresses. Means for example H of address 1, E of address 2, F of address 3. So these all are connected and linked with their addresses, but it not stored in a sequentially manner. So when we want to retrieve it and we want to output for that time, at that time we retrieve our original code word Hepshine, or we want to output as a Hepshine. At that time this is give us output, this give us output as a Hepshine, because this is stored and this is linked with their addresses and we function on their addresses, not on their particular word. Then hence and therefore we retrieve our original array, we retrieve our original string or string array. So this is linked list. Linked list, in a linked list three types are available in linked list. First one is a singly linked list, second one is a doubly linked list, and third one is a circular linked list. In the singly linked list, our data in a singly linked list, here our data is stored in uncontinuous memory and in our data is stored and in uncontiguous memory, and in that one thing we have seen that is node is node stores data and the address of next data. So in a single linked list, if we write a single letter and we write a word, we write Hepshine or we write Suhail, at that time nodes, different nodes are mixed by Lilium. Sorry, different nodes mix, and in each and every node stores the particular data and the address of next data. So means if we store Suhail and at that time S is address, for example S address is 1 and this is our starting point, and this is we also called as head. So is after it, in the node first, and in the node first we store the data S, and in the address in node first address we store the use address in the first node address. After it, means here is a two columns or two parts. First one a storage for data, and second one is a storage for next data address. So second one is a W linked list. W linked list means in that we store, in that our node divided into three parts. First one is a previous address of data, second one is a data, and third one is a next data address. So we see in a single linked list we only perform a forward we only perform forward operations on a string or whatever I took as input. But in a W linked list we also work backward operations on our string. So if you want to write Epshine in the reverse direction or reverse manner, at that time we use W linked list, because here we have forward direction address as well as backward direction address. So in that we easily achieve and we easily retrieve the address of forward data as well as backward data. That is a W linked list. And third one is a circular linked list. Circular linked list, in that linked list we does not change our first starting point. We does not change our first starting point, but can we can but we can repeatedly perform our any operation in on a string. So in that only two parts divided into two parts. First one is the data and second one is the address of that data. So in that first data and first data's address. In that first data address is stored in last data address. Means if we write a RAM at that time, R is our first data, A is our second data, and third one is our M is our third data. So 1, 2, 3. This is our address of data, and next next in the next column or next address column, at that time in the address column we store RAM and R. With the R we store A's address, and A's we store M address, and M we store R's address. When this is our string is repeatedly performed so much times, so this is called a circular linked list. So that's about all about linked list. Thank you.